and welcome back for another video. Today I'm going to be doing a little bit of a special video as I am going to do a fabric haul for you guys later on. But first I wanted to show you guys what I got for my husband for our 10-year anniversary, which is actually today. So I was looking it up to see what is for a 10-year anniversary, and I guess it's either like aluminum, tin, or metal, so I figured I would get him maybe like a really nice watch. So I was looking around for, watches and stuff, and I found a really beautiful, unique timepiece that I wanted to share with you guys. And the company is actually called Jord, which is spelled J-O-R-D, and that's actually Norse for earth. So it's actually a really pretty wood watch, or handsome wood watch, I should say. So Jord was actually kind enough to send me this timepiece, and they are offering up a $100 gift card to one of my audience members. So there will be a link in the description box where you can go over and enter the giveaway, but I will speak more about that giveaway later on in the video. So definitely stay tuned for all the information you need. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it for you guys. So I have it here. I haven't opened the box yet. So this is my first time seeing it, but here it is. So there is the name of the company. So it says Fragile on it, which it is. It's a pretty heavy box actually. So I think it comes in its own box. Okay, so here is what it looks like on the inside. So there is the Jord logo. And then it looks like we get a little buffing cloth right here, which says Jord on it. All right, I'm gonna take it out. Oh, whoa, it's heavy. Okay, so here it is. So as you can see, it has the Jord logo on the front. And then we have a cute little drawer, which is so handy. So you can probably put your little accessories in there. And then it actually had the option of engraving the box also, which I thought was a really neat touch. So here is what the box says. So I thought that was a really sweet touch that you're able to engrave right on the back, and it turned out really nice actually. All right, so I'm gonna open it up. Okay, so it has magnets when you open it. And then it has a little card. So this is the Dover series. So the watch I chose is called Dover in ebony and copper. So the wood is ebony, and then the copper is around the dial of the timepiece. So I'm going to take it. It's got a really cute little burlap pillow. So hopefully you guys can see how beautiful. So this is Jord's actually first skeleton timepiece. So you're actually able to see the mechanics. So you're actually able to see right through it, if you can see that, which is super cool. And it has this little logo, piece of wood on there. And then it has, and then it closes from either side, which is super cool. I've actually never seen a watch that opened and closed like that. So we shall see. I'm gonna have pictures over on my social media of it on my husband, but when you do order your watch, you do actually get to size it. So if you know the size of the person that you're getting it for, then you can put the wrist measurement. And if not, they do give you extra links, yeah. So little parts there that you can keep inside that drawer. So there's another buffing cloth inside it actually. And then you do get a conditioning, this is a finishing oil. So you can apply this to your wood and keep it nice and fresh and conditioned. So, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put that inside the drawer. So cute. Okay, so I'm just gonna talk about the terms of this giveaway. So like I said, you can enter for a chance to win $100 towards a watch of your choice. They also have sunglasses over there too, so just go over to the website. I'll have that link down in the description box. You can go over there and check out some of the stuff they have. They have beautiful women's watches as well, so you don't have to give this gift away. You can keep for yourself if you're and also for entering the giveaway, you also would get a 10% off promo code to use for any product. And also for my viewers, I will have a $20 off promo code in the description box also. So the giveaway will end 1 month from today, so I'll have that date down in the description box so I can make sure that I have the exact end date for you guys. So probably October 20 something. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys in order of importance. So this was on, I think for $3.99 a yard over at Joann's, and I got this really cute pineapple, which I just thought would be fun for just like projects on the channel. I got this super cute donut print because I could not resist, and I love that it's got like a nice big bold print. I prefer those, especially for my videos. So that is super cute. Another one I found was this one. This one also was from that same $3.99 a yard. I thought that was just really pretty. So those ones will just be like, to play with my channel and stuff like that. And then I got a few canvas. Just because I thought they were so cute. But I find that like Joann's is trying to I think they're stepping up their game, especially when Hobby Lobby. This is like a Hobby Lobby print in my opinion. So this is a canvas, which it just screams Hobby Lobby to me. But so cute. I don't know what I'm going to use it for, but I just loved the style. I just loved the colors. I also got another canvas, and this one, I don't even know why. I just thought it was so cute. Look at this. Oh, I just love it so much. So I don't know what I'm gonna make with that. Also, but that's just the way it goes, right? Sometimes you don't know, you just go and you buy, right? I don't have a lot in my stash right now. I have some that I feel like it would be specific for things. You know what I mean? If you're just making something like a zipper pouch or something, it's just, I don't have those types of fabrics, if that makes sense. So I did get a couple fall fabrics and some Christmas fabrics. So I'll show you the best for last because, well, my best for last. But I got this really nice fall print. I thought that I would make this in some sort of table something. So hopefully you'll see that soon. And to go with this, to accent this, I got this fabric, which was actually in the calico section. So it's not necessarily from the fall section, but I thought that the two would accent each other nicely. And then for Christmas, oh no, I'll show you Halloween. I got this one for Halloween. How cute is that? That's current right now over at Joann's. This is one of their new ones for the Halloween season. Don't know what I'm making with that either. Okay, so this is one that I got that reminded me of Christmas. I think this was also from the calico section, so it's not from the Christmas section, so which means it was cheaper. But it still kind of screamed Christmas to me, at least for an accent. And then I got this one from the Christmas section because, oh, just because. Oh, I love it so much. So I don't even know what I would make with this. I don't even know. So you need to leave ideas down below. And then I got a big roll of white canvas. So this is 4 yards of just regular canvas because I, tote bags and things like that. And things I might want to personalize. So I just got a bunch of it. Because why not, right? So I hope you enjoyed this little video and the fabric haul, and I hope that you guys go over and enter the giveaway. Like I said before, the link will be in the description box below, so definitely go over there, sign up, you know, grab that $100. Why not? Make it a gift for yourself, make it a gift for your husband or your wife or whatever you want to do, you know, and then share it with your friends, because why not? I need to have a lot of people enter this giveaway. Okay, so you guys need to like go out and help me get people to enter the giveaway. So yeah, and if you're not already subscribed, I hope that you do and stick around for new and future tutorials, and of course follow over on Instagram and Facebook, which will be also all linked in the description box below. So I just want to say thank you so much, and I will see you guys in my next video.